here we are. We're packing for a safari and an adventure of a lifetime, but it's going to be in the dunes. So for this trip we need an extra 100 liters of fuel. We have a long range tank of 50 liters, need 60 liters on top. The jerry cans would do it, but being in the dunes, top heavy is not a good idea. So I've seen some videos on YouTube where you can remove the third row seats, but for us I think second row would work better. Couldn't find a video, let's make one. Before we start, the usual way we would do is we would flip these seats down. Alright, gives a little bit of packing space in front. You can stuff some soft stuff in the back. Gives a flat surface, still takes quite a bit of space. Another option, move the seats forward, flip them down. The problem with this is tall drivers can't move all the way back, and in that position you actually lose access to the AC and the 12 volt DC. So next best option, let's remove the seats. So to remove the seats, get a Torx driver. You need a number 40 and a number 50 for that, or get a whole set. There's two nuts here, or whatever you want to call them. There's one there and one there. Let's remove them. One down. One down. Right, the front one a little bit more difficult to access. This is the 40, so there's 4 of these screws, 2 that side and 2 this side. So let's get going. We're down to the last screw. They're quite long. What I did notice is there's some Loctite on them, so whenever we put these seats back in, let's just remember to lock them down. There we go. 4 screws in front, 2 in the back. We hit a snag when we wanted to remove the seat. It was getting stuck on this little piece of plastic covering. No idea what to expect. Did see that little Torx. That's a number 20. So let's get going. This little screw removed, then just yank up on that piece, then the seat is loose. There we go. Let's see if this worked. One standard jerry can, it can go nicely there. As a matter of fact, 3 of them clearly takes up much less space than these rear seats. We're going to travel without the second row seats. When we removed the single seat, we discovered we also had to remove this to get it out. Then as you remove the twin seat, you'll see there's 2 additional screws. That's the main one you would expect to find, but there's 2 additional ones. Let's get them out. So there they're out. Just while I'm here, I do notice I can see the outside light through these screw holes. So we'll probably just use the screws to plug the holes to keep the dust and everything out. There we go. Actually 4 jerry cans and still lots of space to spare.